Hi, this is Tanya Eldert, and I'm a broker associate with Realty Partners. And I've been asked to do the video of the week. Really want to talk about how you select your broker, because I do a lot of recruiting with Realty Partners, and I talk to tons and tons of agents. And what I find at the end of the day is sometimes they aren't concerned with the really important things. And let me give you a couple examples. So I have had 3 brokers prior to Realty Partners, and I'm not moving anywhere ever again, because this has the long-term plan that I need for both my career, my retirement, and what I need personally. So I know I'm not going anywhere else. But I actually really liked my previous brokers. I respected them. They were very nice people, but their model did not work for me personally, where I was going in my life. So several of them were 100% broker. And, you know, I know agents that is the perfect scenario for. There's no split. You pay a flat fee every transaction. You pay a monthly fee. And, you know, for people who are investors or only doing 1 or 2 transactions a year, that's actually a good model for them. But for other people who really want to make a business and career out of real estate, I find that sometimes they ask the wrong questions. Like, they seem to be really hung up on what's the split, and if they know any better, then what's the cap. So here's the thing. When you're a new agent and you're asking what the split is, you're making the assumption that you're going to be able to get sales. And if that broker doesn't provide proper training, support, mentoring, it doesn't matter what your split is. 0% of 0, you know, or so 25% of 0 is still 0. You know, start asking, what support do you have? Do you generate leads? What do I have to learn about the business and to grow? Because, you know, like I said, if you're not making sales, it doesn't matter what your split is. For the agents who are actually producers, they also seem to be hung up on the split. But what you should be asking is, what's the cap? Because if you're going to cap and you're looking at a broker that has $24,000 cap, which is standard for many of the big firms, and you talk to Realty Partners and we have a $15,000 cap, well, that's a huge difference about what you pay each year. You can save yourself thousands of dollars by just looking at the cap, not the split, because eventually you're going to pay it out anyway. So really you need to look at where you are with your career and how your broker can help you. And for example, if you're an agent who really just wants to be trained in a classroom and show up at an office every day and have people pushing you inside an office to do those inside sales calls and everything, if you need that, then we aren't the right broker for you. And I've told that to several agents. If you're a little bit better working with training and support, and you're good with technology, and you understand how to use online training. I mean, we do have some personal training, but we're all over the state. So I would say 75% of what we do is not in person. It's over the internet, over Zoom meetings. Now, for some people, that's great. They love it. You can do a meeting in your pajamas. Trust me, I'm pretty sure that, you know, 90% of those people who are on the 9 o'clock morning meeting on Mondays are in their PJs because their cameras are off. You know, so we're not for everybody, but make sure when you're interviewing brokers to find something for you that you're asking the right questions. So I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.